It can take anywhere from 4 to 48 hours to go from settlement to recording, and longer if over a weekend. If you are buying a home at the same time, it can all be done in the same appointment. If this is your first time to this channel and you want to know everything about buying and selling homes, click subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you'll be the first to know about the latest tips for buying and selling. Hi, my name is Kitty Cheney, owner of Chandelier Property Group with eXp Realty, where we provide brilliant solutions. One way we do this is by helping you understand the process of buying and selling a home, the potential challenges, and the common roller coaster of emotions along the way. Challenges and stresses are reduced and often eliminated when one knows what to expect in advance. We call this sharing the light of knowledge. We've worked with so many people just like you, looking for help to buy or sell a home, and we love to serve. Whether moving in 9 days or 90 days, if you want to feel heard, informed, and comfortable, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. All of our info is in the description below, so we can help you make a smooth move. With step 8 of selling your home, we're ready for closing. Closing has 3 parts. The first part is settlement or signing. This is not like in the movies where everyone sits down at the same table and signs docs and hands over the keys. That's not how this works. We will be signing at separate locations and likely at separate times. You will bring 2 forms of identification, a photo ID, your driver's license, and a Costco card would work. I will have proofed the settlement statement prior to closing beforehand, and the escrow officer will review all of the documents with you, all those closing docs with you to make sure that you understand what you're signing. You will give her your bank wire instructions if you have gone to your bank and gathered those wire instructions from them, or just give her your bank account numbers. That works as well. Either way, you'll get those to her so that she can forward over the loan proceeds to, or not the loan proceeds, the sale proceeds to you. She'll be sending the sale proceeds to you after closing and wire those over. So you'll be giving her instructions on how to get those to you. And I will be there if at all possible. I'm there the vast majority of the time, but every once in a while I just can't make it. And so know that if at all possible, I will be at the closing and we'll take pictures to celebrate because this is a very exciting time. The second step of closing is funding. The buyer will send their down payment over to title, over to the escrow office. And once all the documents are signed, the underwriter, the loan underwriter, will proof those documents for accuracy and to make sure that that every I is dotted and T is crossed and signatures are in all the right places. Once they have proofed everything, and then they will pull the buyer's credit one last time just to make sure that they didn't go sign on another loan that changes their DTI, their debt to income ratio, too dramatically. So they'll pull the buyer's credit one last time. Once confirmed that all is good, then the lender will send the loan funds to the title company. And once the title company holds everything, then we're ready for step 3, recording. Once they hold all the signed docs and all the funds, then they will record the deed with the county and disperse those funds. They'll pay off your past mortgage and HELOC, if any. They'll pay off all of that, and they will send you the proceeds, the profits from your purchase, or I'm sorry, from your sale. They'll send you all the proceeds, and then you get to use that money to go buy your new home, if that's what you're doing next. They'll make sure that all of the commissions are paid, everything, all the various different expenses get paid, and then the proceeds go to you and whatever account you have instructed them to send the monies to. It can take anywhere from 4 to 48 hours to go from settlement to recording, and longer if over a weekend. If you are buying a home at the same time, it can all be done in the same appointment. If you are using the proceeds from the sale towards the purchase, it will record in order. The sale will be recorded first, then the purchase, and that's how that works. As a story for you, I've had some great sellers who got everything done prior to closing, prior to their settlement deadline, and they were all packed and ready to go with the truck fully loaded. And they came in, got all their documents signed, They went back and did a camp out with their kids in the living room just with sleeping bags before they took off the next morning off to enjoy their next adventure. So feelings of success and relief are very common as the process is getting completed and as you look forward to your next adventure. And once recording is done, congratulations, you are sold. If you appreciated the knowledge shared in this video, click follow and subscribe for more videos on buying and selling homes. If you're looking to buy or sell a home and want to feel heard, informed, and comfortable along the way, comment below, or even better, call me. I look forward to being the brilliant solution you can't wait to share.